My name is Brexton Ramsey. I'm in second year Ag Management.
Annika Neufeld, Valley Derbyshire.
I'm in the ESET program right now.
Second year of the Ag Management program.
For business management.
Environmental Science and Technology.
I like how small it is and how you get to meet everyone in the program. Almost tight-knit community, which is what I'm used to.
I think the sense of community that it creates and the way that I can build and expand on networking, relationships.
I chose Olds because it's close to home. I've known lots of people that gone here and said it was a great school.
I actually fell in love with the campus. I thought it was beautiful and I really liked the community and how many things the school has to offer.
I liked Olds for its location and also what I've heard within the community of agriculture and what people had to say about Olds College.
Olds College is a very hands-on college. It gives you a lot of experience.
You're learning a lot of real world applicable skills. We've been on a couple field trips this year as well, doing stuff out in the bush that I don't think you'd get this experience anywhere else, if I'm being honest.
I truly feel like I can be myself. I feel like I don't have to hold back or try and act a certain way for anybody. Right now, this is what I imagine college would be, having such a good group of friends, always being together, always being there for each other. I'm really connecting with my professors, I'm connecting with the material, and I feel like I'm in my home.
You get a real sense that everybody's here to learn, to have fun, to make friends, and people are willing to go out of their way to help other people and ensure they're having a great time.
It's the best thing that I ever chose to do for myself. I think that it changed my life for the better.
Come here, experience it for yourself. You'll have a great time and you won't regret it.
I'd probably tell everyone to just do it because I love this place.
Choose Olds College because you want to make a change in the world.